The movie's best scene, loading. Something in your house is killing your Wi-Fi, and you walk past it every day. Meet the suspects: a lazy router, a hungry microwave, and every gadget you forgot you owned. 7 fixes, 2 minutes, go. Fix 1. Turn it off and on again. Yes, really. Unplug the router, count to 30, plug it back in. Your router is a tiny computer that never sleeps. Its memory clogs up. 1 restart clears the junk. Most slowdowns, gone. Fix 2. Play detective. Run a speed test next to the router. Now run it again from the couch. Slow in both spots? Blame your provider. Fast near the router, slow on the couch? That's Wi-Fi. Keep watching. Fix 3. Location. Your router lives in a cabinet? That's not storage. That's prison. Wi-Fi hates walls and metal. Set it high, central, and out in the open. It's a trophy, not a shameful secret. A few feet changes everything. Fix 4. Routers broadcast 2 networks. 5 gigahertz, super fast, short range. 2.4, slower but walks through walls. Near the router, pick 5. Far away or behind walls, 2.4 wins. Choose your fighter. Fix 5. Bandwidth vampires. Cloud backups, game updates, tablets streaming in empty rooms, they feed all night. Shut them down. And if a neighbor guessed your password, they're binge watching on your bill. Change it. Make it weird. Fix 6. Nearby routers all shout on one channel. Total traffic jam. In settings, switch to channel 1, 6, or 11. Fix 7. Update the firmware. And if your router is 5 years old, let it retire. New ones are cheap now. Restart. Test. Relocate. Switch bands. Hunt vampires. Still slow? Call your provider with proof. Subscribe for fixes that actually work.